If you're a blogger, content creator, or web design agency looking to add a professional, fully customizable author box to your WordPress site, WP Simple Author Box is the perfect tool. This plugin lets you easily add responsive author boxes with over 50 design options, no coding needed. Whether you have multiple authors, guest writers, or editors contributing, you can credit them all on a single post with just a click, even if they don't have WordPress accounts. You can choose from pre-made templates or design your own to perfectly match your site's style. Managing your licenses and sites is simple with a centralized SaaS dashboard, and the plugin can be fully white-labeled without touching any code. Compatible with all WordPress themes and plugins, WP Simple Author Box replaces your existing author box seamlessly. With a lifetime deal starting at $39 for 10 sites, you get all current and future features, making it easy to showcase your authors professionally and build trust with your readers. Don't miss this deal. Grab your lifetime access using the link in the description below.